Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I installed this wig straight from the box, guys. It hasn't been customized or anything. So if you want me to show you how I did it, please stay tuned and keep on watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. All right, you guys, so what I mean by the wig hasn't been customized is the wig was sent from the factory like this, and I didn't have to bleach nor plug the lace or anything. So we are just going to wear it as it is from the factory. Those of you who get wig online, this is the best way to install your wig. So as it is from the factory, that's just the way we are going to wear it. You shouldn't wear your wig like this, girl. This is not good. You shouldn't wear your wig like this. You wear your wig like this and come near me, I'm going to flock you. So watch as I'm going to wear it. It looks good. It's already pre-plucked. So when I'm done putting the makeup on, so I'm going to put the glue, the ghost bond glue. I'm going to put 3 layers as usual, and then I'll let it clear. Then I stick the lace on her head. So before I put down the lace, I will use the brush, no more adding makeup on it, and just brush, add it on, just add the color on the lace. I hope you understand what I mean. Then stick the lace to her head and then press it down, press it so well, and then beg the client to hold her ears so you can concentrate in laying the other side of the wig down. So since she wanted the middle part, so I had to use my mousse, Stacy Benz mousse, to create her middle part, and tie the front with a rubber band and our silk head wrap, which will be available soon for those in China to purchase. So yeah, I'll let her be under the dryer for a while, then I come back and cut the lace. So right now I'm sewing the back part of the the wig because she wants to use it for a while. So I just had to sew the back part. Like you see, I removed part of the hair behind and they had to sew it. By the way, if you're at this point and you haven't subscribed, what are we waiting for? Please subscribe, guys. This is free lesson, eh? Subscribe for more videos like this. So cutting the lace, I always use do it in section. First of all, I cut the lace behind her ear, and then I'm using eyebrow razor or pencil or whatever, or eraser or something like that, to cut the lace. Look how it blends. Look how blended it is, guys. If you follow my steps very well, you will achieve the same look. Because of the makeup and everything, the lace blended so well to her skin, and yeah, you can always get that. So there's no need to customize this wig or anything. The wig wasn't bleached or anything. So if you want the same wig, please inbox me. I'm going to get it for you, at least. And Stacy, she did my hair. Where is the lace? Show me the lace. Show me the lace. It's there. Where is the lace? It's there. Where is the lace, guys? I'm looking for the lace. Where is it? It's there. It's there. This is it. This is the lace. Sis, baby hairs are not easy. Oh, it's not easy to create baby hairs. You need practice like never before. Like you practice forever and ever. Today you make it, it's nice. Tomorrow it's blah blah blah. So you just have to keep trying. Me, I don't know, but my client says I know. Okay, you guys, thank you. So usually when wigs comes, it always looks like it's already styled, whereas it's not styled. It's styled though, but the curls don't last, so I have to restyle this one to get the look which we were going for. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share for more. If you want me to show you any other thing, please leave it in the comment section below. And if you want to order this wig or any of my Stacey Benz wigs, please click down the link that says to order a wig in my description box. Click the notification bell. Also, when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. And if you're in Shanghai and you want to get your hair installed or sew in, contact me with the number at the beginning of the video, or click down below in the description box in the link that says to order a wig, and then you tell me what you want in my WhatsApp or WeChat. You can also add me on WeChat with that number. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks. And where is the lace? Where is the lace?
Where is the lace?
Where is the lace?
Thank you so much, Stacy. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. So gorgeous. Thank you so much.
Guys, today is her birthday.
Yeah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Look
to
at this.
you.
Look at this, guys.
Happy
Man.
birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.